Interesting. You know, it's not that I'm upset that they're here. I'm a little bit about the garbage, but that's easily picked up. Not that I should have to do it, but it's the question that drives me now. It's like, who is it? What kind of person are they? I don't really see any other evidence. I mean, usually if there's a tent place, there's usually an imprint, but it has been windy. And people don't usually walk out this far, so. Now I want to know who it is. So I think I'm going to put my trail cam aimed at this fire pit. I mean, it could have just been a random Forest Service worker, you know, out doing some checks. But we'll see. I want to know now. Who are you? Alrighty. Greetings one and all, if this ends up being its own video, which it probably might be, so greetings one and all. Taking a hydration break. I'm actually sitting at what's going to be a future new camp, which is not named yet. I'm literally just a stone's throw from the lean-to. The reason I'm here is because I'll probably do a 360 tour here in a moment. But make sure I'm hydrated. What was I saying? Oh, I'm only a stone's throw from the lean-to, and maybe I should just get up and show you, or I'll turn the camera off and then chill for a bit, and then I'll bring you back, and then I'll walk you around. How's that sound? It'll only be a moment.